All right, guys, we are back there. What do we have here? This is the Bitcoin chart. We know our Bitcoin cross-section here. We have our support level here. We have a secondary level here, and we are borderline breaking. Now, yesterday we were below as well, right? But the key here is that we actually came back up and closed back above. How many lives does Bitcoin have?
Wait a minute, everyone. We all agree that the crypto market never sleeps, but with countless newsletters out there, how do you choose the best one for you? Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. Let's join Gareth in this video about Bitcoin and more.
This is really remarkable. Very few times in history I have seen a chart dance on a level and pierce it so many times. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times now we have pierced this line, and it's still holding. Now, is that bullish or is that bearish? To be honest, you have to give the credit. As long as it closes above the lines here, that's good. If it doesn't, though, watch out below, because what will happen is the bulls right now feel emboldened. They're holding the line, right? Hold the line, baby. And that's fine. If it breaks and closes below, the bulls are going to be dejected, and the bears are going to be like, boom, let's pound this thing down. So just watch it. This is why technical analysis is so important, because it literally gives you these pivot points that you can follow on a chart, and you get a sense of when big breaks are going to come. The charts tell you that. It's really remarkable. All right, in any case, we're watching right here, guys. You have a cross-section of two lines. Can Bitcoin rally back to, like, let's say 65,500, keeping above that level? Or does it close below? I think anything below 65 would be bearish. A close even at, right now it's 64,988. Anything below 65, I would be very concerned about, and I'll update you in trading the close today. By the way, folks, I think you're seeing it at the bottom of the screen. Tomorrow, the stock market is closed, but we're doing an exclusive Pro Trader Live 2-hour event, but only on Verified Investing. It won't be on YouTube for the public. It is just for people that come to the homepage tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I myself, Dr. B, Ben, all the pro traders converging. We're going to take questions. You can submit questions to me. You can submit questions to them. We'll cover charts for 2 hours tomorrow, and we can go over crypto, commodities, Forex, you name it, stocks. You want to talk anything, we can go over it. So don't forget, put it on your calendar, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, 2-hour live stream, but only right here at verifiedinvesting.com on the homepage. All right, on to a couple other charts. I do want to just cover a couple other cryptos today because crypto is in action. Ethereum, great little dump here on ETH. But again, for me, not quite at a level just yet. I am watching this area right here. So again, I have this lower level here at 3,100, but at 3,200, there's also this level here. And again, this would probably be my first place to maybe inch in just a little bit. I'm not sure yet, but if we do see a bigger dump, I'll basically be looking at this zone right here as maybe a small accumulation area. Looking at Solana, let's take a look at SOL here and see what we got on that one. And if we look at Solana here, I want to show you guys this. So there's a trend line here. And again, I'm trying to get it as accurate as possible that we've pierced right at this zone here. So we could see again, came right in here. We've pierced it, but we've already got a little bit of a bounce. We're already up on this trade in smart money crypto right now as we bought just around that 130 level. But then I have additional supports at 120 that will be significant here as well. Now, again, remember, folks, these are swing trades for me. So I could be out with members as early as today or tomorrow, depending on what it does and what the price action that I see shows us.
The crypto market dropped over 4.3% to $2.50 trillion due to a hawkish Fed official and Bitcoin ETF outflows. Minneapolis Fed Chief Neil Kashkari's prediction of only one rate cut in 2024 contrasted with expectations, impacting the crypto market. Bitcoin ETF experienced continued withdrawals, reducing net reserves to $14.956 billion. A stronger U.S. dollar signaled a lower risk appetite. $403 million worth of long positions were liquidated, adding selling pressure. The market correction within a symmetrical triangle pattern could rebound to $2.48 trillion or drop to $2.09 trillion, depending on trendline support. U.S. spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds experienced their third consecutive day of outflows on Monday, losing over $145 million. Fidelity's FBTC continued to lead the outflows with $92 million exiting the fund on June 17.
I'll quickly do Cardano. Cardano's been one that's a fan favorite out there as well, and I know a lot of you guys are out there. So take a look at Cardano. This is another one we bought in Smart Money Crypto, and I'll show you why. Basically, we have a trend line here, and if I zoom out, well, I can't zoom out that far, but basically right here, if you guys can see this, you have a level going back all the way to April of 2023, slicing through here down to about 33 cents, and then this flat top right here with this bottom area right up here, sloping up a little bit to about 36 cents. So this zone here is a big level on Cardano, but please notice that the chart told you these breakdowns were coming, guys. I literally told members, and people were like, people joining the service over the last month, they're like, man, Gareth has a couple shorts out there. He's making money. We closed out 20% on Chainlink. But, why isn't he going long anything? Oh, my goodness, I want to do longs, It's like, dude, I'm not going to put out a trade that's a crappy trade. It's got to be with the charts. Listen, naturally, I have some crappy trades. That's just the nature of being a trader. But you don't want to do it when you see patterns like this forming. This is a bear flag, right? I mean, look at the flagpole, and then like that. That's exactly what you have right here. That's bearish. It told us it was going to break down. All right, so many charts like this, even on Avalanche, right? If we go to Avalanche, and I know I'm getting distracted with a lot of cryptos today, but it is in play. If you look at Avalanche, so number one, this is an old chart here. Let me go here with this up channel. So this was the initial breakdown, and this was one we caught, right? Great flush. But then same thing, bear flag, right? The other thing to be aware of, though, is Avalanche actually had a head and shoulders pattern that has just broken down as well. And I'll just show you guys this on the chart, is that very, very clear. We have the shoulder, head, and shoulder, and then your neckline, guys. I mean, once that breaks, boom, to the downside right there. So lots of bearish charts on the altcoins told me to be very careful about going long. And again, I know there's lots of services out there that'll be like, oh, let's do this, and then they lose. But again, the key is you got to know your chart setups and their warning signs. It doesn't mean you can't get in, get out real quick, but you got to be careful. When the bigger picture is bearish, you want to step back on that. I will say this, Bitcoin up until now, and we'll have to see where it closes, that's been the one crypto that's actually looked reasonably good. Ethereum as well. The rest of them mostly bad. Toncoin's held up well. I will give Toncoin credit. We cover that one on a daily basis as well. All right, gold. Gold bear flag formation continuing. Again, there's your flagpole right here. There's your kind of little consolidation. Again, as of now, generally, you would expect a move to the downside on this. I have my target zone right here for where I'm going to start to nibble a little bit. We'll continue to follow that one.
Despite Bitcoin ETF buying, Bitcoin struggles. Analyst Willy Woo explains why. Analyst Willy Woo highlights that long-term holders are selling. The CoinDays destroyed metric shows a spike, indicating dormant coins are being sold. Similar sell-offs occurred during previous bull runs in 2017 and 2021. Paper Bitcoin, or derivatives not involving actual BTC ownership, is rising. Wu notes that in the past, BTC rallies were fueled by limited selling from original holders and miners. Now, paper BTC influences the market significantly. Bitcoin's exchange reserves show no significant net deposits, indicating paper BTC's influence. During the 2022 bear market, paper BTC dictated the trends. Recent increases in paper BTC are slowing current market rallies. David Hirsch, head of the SEC's Crypto Asset and Cyber Unit, leaves after 9 years, having led major enforcement actions against Binance, Coinbase, and other crypto firms. David Hirsch announced his exit from the SEC, where he oversaw significant investigations and enforcement actions. Led the SEC's crackdown on crypto violations, with notable cases against major firms like Binance and Coinbase. Under his guidance, the fiscal year 2023 saw impactful enforcement efforts in the crypto sector. Personal plans. Hirsch is excited about new challenges, but will take a break to travel with his family. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.